So if you bought an iPhone 16e and are looking for a MagSafe case, we have a really good recommendation for you. And then in this video, we want to share with you our MagSafe accessories that can enhance the experience of your iPhone 16e. But if you have any other MagSafe iPhone 2, this will apply to you as well. Now, down in the description, you're going to see the different links to some case recommendations made by different companies, but one thing to note is they all have really good magnets. So we've tested it for you already. So know that when you buy one of these cases, you're going to have a reliable MagSafe case. And then also in the comment section, you will see the different links to our different products that we're going to share with you. But what's important is that if you click one of those links, there's going to be an automatic discount applied for you when you shop. So you don't have to do anything. It's automatically applied to your shopping cart. The first accessory we want to talk about is our MagSafe Anywhere mount. This by far is a customer favorite and it's used in several different applications of our products just because of how versatile this mount is. This is the Anywhere mount, and as the name suggests, it can be used anywhere. You've got 3M VHB adhesive. This is the best in terms of 3M adhesive. This is really good, really strong. So anywhere you put this, you want to make sure it's a clean, flat surface. And when you go to apply this, it's very simple. As long as your iPhone has MagSafe, you can simply put your iPhone up anywhere. We have some here in the office. You can use it in the kitchen. You can put one in the shower if you want. You can put it by your bedside. Really, the reason we called it the Anywhere mount is because the imagination is up to you. Anywhere you think you need an extra hand or a placeholder for your iPhone, this is going to be the perfect solution. The next product we want to talk about actually takes the MagSafe Anywhere mount a step further by making it a kit for the MagSafe charger. So this is Apple's MagSafe charger, not our own. And what we've simply done is created a kit that allows the MagSafe charger to actually mount to the Anywhere mount. So now, instead of just holding up your iPhone, you simply put this MagSafe ring on the back of the MagSafe charger, and then you snap the MagSafe charger on there, and now you can snap your iPhone on there and you have a floating MagSafe charger. Or if you simply want to have a permanent spot on the desk for your MagSafe charger, because this on its own, right, when it's attached to your phone, if it's just sitting around, it's going to move. It doesn't have a way to stay in place. So like we've done here in the office, we've just added the Anywhere mount, and now you have a permanent spot which will hold the charger in place. So when you take on and off your iPhone, the charger itself doesn't go with you. But at the same time, let's say you're working on the desk and you do want the charger to go with you, you simply just slide the MagSafe charger off. You can continue charging and then also be able to use your phone. Now, our next product will be able to take this product to another level. As you will see in this video, our products are very modular. So this is our MagSafe Grip and kickstand. So this is made for any MagSafe iPhone. So let's put it on this iPhone 16 Pro here. This will give you a ring holder for your finger, right? You have really strong magnets in this, so that's not something you have to worry about. But the cool thing about this is that it has a flat edge on the ring portion. So what this allows you to do is set it down anywhere. So if we just set it down here on the sofa, we can just prop our phone up. Now, how that works with the MagSafe charger is that if you've bought the MagSafe charger dock, then when you go to take off your MagSafe charger from this dock, let's say you want to have a kickstand for the charger. Well, now you apply the MagSafe Grip and kickstand, and now you are charging and you have a MagSafe Grip. So if you want to hold it like this, or if you want to prop up the actual iPhone while it's charging and just keep it on your desk, you can do that as well. Now, let's say you're the type of customer, you want a permanent charging solution. You want something to stay in its place and be there for whenever you need to charge. Well, we also have a solution for that. This is our executive charging system. So this is a 3-in-1 charging system, but What's cool about this is with the iPhone 16e, you have full compatibility because this is very versatile when it comes to charging. It goes down to 7.5 watts, which the iPhone 16e supports, but it also goes up to 15 watts because it has full MagSafe compatibility. So if you have something more advanced or something that does support 15 watts, you can use something like the iPhone 16 Pro. But not only is this for the phone, this also combines a removable watch charger, which you can take off and take with you for those moments that you need to travel and you just want a compact solution to charge your Apple Watch. But then you also have a slot for your AirPods. The best thing about this system is how cool it runs, because the problem with MagSafe charging systems is that they never take into consideration heat and how that affects your battery. That's very important. For wireless charging to be efficient, heat is a huge factor. So that's why right here on the backside of the MagSafe portion where your iPhone sits, we have ventilation there and we have ventilation on both sides of the unit. And we can promise you, as soon as you go to charge your device with this, you will have such a wonderful experience that any other charger will become obsolete for you. Now, what about those of you that want to hit the road and want a reliable car solution? Well, for that, we have our Qi 2 car mount. Again, this is compatible with phones like the 16 Pro, which is the latest, and can take advantage of the 15-watt charging speeds. But again, it can also scale down to 7.5 watts. It's going to be able to communicate with your phone and charge it according to whatever charging speed it's compatible with. But the best thing here is, again, this is a customer favorite. We've been selling these for years. We first were doing one that didn't have charging, but ultimately we brought charging into it because that was also a customer need. And again, here, magnets are really strong. That's one thing we always prioritize with our MagSafe products is good, strong magnets. Now for the vent application, you've got this dial on the base. So this is going to basically rotate the clamp at the back. So if you have a vertical vent style or a horizontal vent style, it's going to be able to work with both of them. And then you're able to extend the actual length of the clamp. So this is also good because different car vent blades are different lengths, especially with a lot of newer cars. You have like a single vent, but this again is very versatile and very compatible. So any questions, you can reach out to us. We'll help you get this all set up. The next application we have is one that's very popular with our Tesla customers. So this is the dash application, and what this has is that same strong adhesive, but then it also has two portions that can be bent. So this is so that if you have a little bit of curve in your dash, then you're still going to be able to just make some minor adjustments with this and stick it to your dash. Now with the dash application, once you apply it to your dash, you want to leave it there for 24 hours so it can get time to just settle in. And once it's all settled in, then you are going to be good to go. You're just going to mount the car mount onto here and you will be all set. So there you have it. You can now pair your iPhone 16e with any of our cool and fun MagSafe accessories. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to us via email and we'll be happy to help. We also have chat option available on our website, so reach out to us. Somebody will get back to you right away. Thank you for your time. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and like always, take care of yourself and we will see you next time.